Now, of course, we're not always going to use a number line to add our integers. So let's look at some rules that will make adding integers really simple. Let's say our integers have the same sign. So let's say we have 2 plus 5. Easy enough, right? Well, these integers have the same sign, so that means we just add these integers. We add the absolute values of them. Then we're going to use the sign that they have in common. So 2 plus 5 is 7. Now let's say we had -2 plus -5. Well, because they both have the same sign, they're both negatives, we're just going to add the absolute value of these two numbers and keep the common sign. So -2 plus -5, well, the absolute value of -2 is 2. The absolute value of -5 is 5. So 2 plus 5 is 7. And then we keep the common sign, which is a negative sign. So -2 plus -5 is -7, sorry. What if we had different signs? Well, in the case of different signs when adding integers, all you need to do is subtract the lesser absolute value from the greater absolute value, and then use the sign that has the greater absolute value. So let's say we have 8 plus -10. All you would do is you would take the absolute value of these numbers. So let's say absolute value of 8 is 8. Absolute value of -10 is 10. So we're going to subtract 8 from 10. Well, we know 8 minus, not 8 minus 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. However, 10 has the greater absolute value. So our answer is negative. Let's try another one. Let's say we have -13 plus 17. Well, we know that 17 minus 13 is 4. Which of these two numbers has the greater absolute value? Well, the absolute value of -13 is 13, whereas the absolute value of 17 is just 17. So we know that 17 has the greater absolute value. So then 4 stays positive.